Here we come to the elevators at the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel by the Houston Hobby Airport. These are ThyssenKrupp. And this is going to be an updated take on these elevators here. These are definitely modernized. 9. If you guys have watched my older videos, I filmed this one long time ago. All right, let's go to 3 this time because both floors 1 and 2 have music playing, and I don't want to deal with any copyright. Besides, I also can't be talking loudly. That can draw a lot of attention. Oh, nobody called it. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and switch elevator cars. The button's been replaced with Mad. It used to have Aurora. And here it is. That was quick. And this one has the low-pitched overbuzz I just heard. Look up in the ceiling. Hi. It's just similar to the other elevator. I might stop my camera here because of the music playing, so. Okay, I think I might go for one more ride since no one is getting on. I'm gonna have to close the door quick before we get interrupted. And I also do not want to get confronted either. If you guys wonder why I got in the elevator quick, was because there's music playing. I don't want to deal with having to talk over, and I also don't want to draw attention to people in the lobby. All right, let's go back down to, speaking of the lobby, we will go back down to the lobby and we'll end the video there. Based on the door frames, these gotta be US elevators before ThyssenKrupp modded them. All right, here we are, and that is going to be it.